How to uninstall 360 Total Security completely. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can uninstall 360 Total Security completely. Now, the first thing you want to do is close the antivirus from the taskbar. For that, click on the Total Security icon, right click, and you will find the option of exit. Select that and then select the exit option. Once that is done, click on the search bar and here search Control Panel. Then you will find the option of program and features. Click on that. Now from here, find 360 Total Security. Right click and select the option of uninstall/change. Now click on next. Then you want to select the reason why you want to uninstall. Now select uninstall from here. Then click on the uninstall option. Now click on next. Now click on yes. As you can see, 360 Total Security is being uninstalled. You need to wait for some time. After that, you want to click on the finish option and then 360 Total Security will be completely uninstalled. Now restart your PC, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.